taking photos of this, never a video, so I thought I'd do a video. What's happened to all this brick? Oh, look at that one. It's like curved and stuff. It's not even level anymore. It's hard to see what you see, but come right out. Sorry, bud. Like this whole thing used to come out brick. It would have come out along the bottom of this. Something along that. Why is there brick and then block and then brick, block, back to the big block? Like it just doesn't make sense. This is all facaded. Like it was all like that. All look like that. Red brick internals, like the rest of the old world stuff. All red brick internals, and then it's cooked out. Like what the fuck's going on there? That's all mortar snot just churning up. If you look close, you can see it's going to gravel on it, like a pebble. Gravel. Look at these bricks. And fucking. Like bricks don't even, when you smash them with a sledgehammer, they don't even look like this. Like, you got up here too, and it's all pushed out, so it's pushed the facading off, it's broken it off. You can see in behind it, it's all red brick. It's smashed the facading, broken it off. But like those red bricks. This edging comes all the way along, and then all of a sudden it's brick. Brick. Like why? It's because it's swelled up, pushed out, it's broken all the facading off. Look at that brick. Turn into pebbles. This one. Look at that. Tiny little piece here, bricklet. These blocks are red brick. They've turned to block. Like, it's the only explanation. Brick underneath, block, brick, block. Like it doesn't make sense. And then we've got over here. There's another one on the other side. I'll do that in another video because it'll take me too long to get over. But it's got all this block, but then it's brick. And look at this brick. Look at it. It's fucking churned up and it's turning into one go. Like it's one bit. Like doesn't make sense. Brick all the way underneath, and then back to block. Like, and this looks like it probably went all the way along. Like, this is a bridge. This used to be a railway bridge, and it ends like. This whole thing goes across the river. Look at this shit. Not normal. Look at them. Cooked. Cooked as fuck. Like this would have been a mess when they, after the reset, once it all happened, there would have been debris, there would have been shit, this would have all and there would have been shit all over the joint and they've had to clean it all up. The whole city, there would have been shit everywhere. Like, look at this, you can't even make out sense of which one's brick anymore. But it's all brick, turned into dirt. But you can see the facade. Even that's swelling out and stuff, but then it's back to this block, which isn't the facading. And then, look at that shit. Steel in there. All sorts of shit. Crazy stuff. This is not normal, not built like this, there's no way. These blocks are red brick. As hard as that is to get through your head, it's fucking red brick. Look at this one. It's not even level with it. What the fuck's going on there? More steel. Why is there steel in a wall? Just randomly. Look at that, like it's turned into fucking dirt. Anyway, I'll go get the next one. Just more cooked shit everywhere. Everywhere.